Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to set up your first ad or first zeely ad campaign. So to get started with that, to set up your first ad campaign with zeely, it's designed to be quickly and beginner friendly. Even if you have zero experience with ads, once you log in into your zeely, you start by answering a few basic questions about your business, like what you sell, your niche, and your main goal. For example, sales, traffic, and leads. So zeely use this information to generate personalized ad content using AI. So after that, you will upload a visual like photos, videos of your product or service. If you don't have your own asset, zeely can even suggest templates to stock visual. Then you customize the headline, description, and call to action. But don't worry, zeely suggests the text automatically. You can edit as needed. So after that, you choose where your ads will run, for example, Facebook, Instagram, or Google. Or zeely also automate or select the best channel for you. Then you will set your budget either as a daily spend or a total campaign budget. So zeely also automatically handle bidding and optimization, so you don't need to manage complex ad settings.